like to change the date on things, but this felt like a pretty good reason to do it.
This is a really good reason to change the dates on the training. We have been working with SEMA Garage for a minute to try to put something together, and the opportunity came up to do a training October 9, 10, and 11. We're taking it.
Yeah, that's right. So everything that you know from a digital fabrication class, the 3D scanning, 3D printing, laser cutting, all of that still gonna be here. It's gonna be here at the SEMA Garage.
Yeah, it's gonna be super cool to have it here. So sign up, do it quick. It's gonna go
very fast.
Very fast.
It's a limited space, so make sure you sign up as soon as possible.
See you guys here.
See ya. All right, so JT, were you thinking we'd probably have like one car here and then another car over there too?
Yeah, I'm thinking here, right? So that we can open the doors.
Okay.
Then maybe we can have a monitor in the middle.
That makes sense.
And then we can have another car here.
I think it's a good space for it.
Yeah, I think this is gonna work perfect for what we need. Okay, thank you very much. Talk to you soon. All right, Andy, it's on.
We're on.
All right. Hi guys, I have some exciting news for you guys. For the past 3-4 months, I've been working with SEMA Garage to schedule one of our classes. And it's happening. It's going to happen October 9, 10, and 11. First of all, I want to say thank you to all of our sponsors, all of our friends that are helping us, keep this going, right? The people that believe that, digital fabrication is the future of this industry, right? Without their help, we wouldn't be able to do what we're doing right now.
Right.
Right? And one of the reasons why this facility is such a big deal is because it's very exclusive.
Right. This is normally reserved for big time manufacturers like Ford, GM, Toyota, Chrysler, Honda, you name it, giving us access to the facility, to do one of the digital fabrication trainings. So again, with that being said, mark your calendars. This is a great opportunity for everybody. We're going to be covering a lot. We're going to go into detail, and this is something that you guys don't want to miss out on.
Yeah, and what you're going to see there is just the beginning. We have big plans. We're very motivated to see digital fabrication become something huge.
Right.
And we believe that it's going to change the industry. It's going to take a lot of people to make it happen, but it's going to do it. It's the new standard, is the future of car audio. So if you want to learn, right, digital fabrication, I think we know a thing or two. We want to help you. So sign up. If you have any questions, give us a call, send us a DM, and we'll see you at SEMA Garage next month.
See you guys in October. Thank you.